In this video, I will show you exactly how to learn to do a backflip on a trampoline for complete beginners. Let's dive right into the video. You're gonna learn that exact trick. You're gonna learn a backflip 360 to double backflip in the air. Let's dive right now. What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Like I said, in this video we will be showing you how to learn to do a backflip for complete beginners on a trampoline. So it's freezing cold night, let's go up. Just like that. What you wanna do is first, you're gonna warm up guys. So make sure you warm up your back. All right, you don't want to just dive right into it. I mean, it's a good idea to warm up. So warm up your back, okay? Just stretch out a little bit, get a little bit loose. I like to do some high knees, the tramp, just to kind of get used to that impact. And then some butt kickers, jump around. Tuck your knees in. You don't need to jump super high, but like I said, we're gonna be showing you for complete beginners exactly how to learn to do a backflip. I'm gonna give you 3 ways. Let's dive right into the video, guys. So first of all, the first way is called the backdrop. The backdrop is really simple, really easy. What it is basically landing on your back and going to your feet backwards. It's basically a quarter of a backflip, so it's pretty simple. But you don't have to get a bunch of height if you don't want to. Like, the scarier it is for people when they get a lot of height. So you want to just start low, land on your back, go back, just like that. Okay, so I'll show you again. So really simple, really easy, but that's gonna get you used to doing the backflip, okay? And if it takes you a while to actually land on your back, don't worry, all right? A lot of people I teach how to do a backflip, they'll land like this, you know, they won't have the coordination, they won't have the ability to land on their back, but don't worry. Just keep practicing, all right? And also there's obviously other ways. We're gonna be going over 2 other ways to learn to do it, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna show you one last time, and make sure you land on like the middle of your back, around like right here, if you're comfortable with it. Just like I said, keep practicing, guys. It's really just, you're gonna get comfortable with it. Just like that, okay. So once you have those down, if you have those down, then that's one way to learn a backflip for complete beginners on the trampoline, okay? The next way to learn it is called the butt bounce. This is how I learned it, okay? So what the butt bounce is basically you tuck your knees and you jump, and you tuck your knees in and you land on your butt and you roll back in the air pretty much, and it's very natural, should be very natural, and it's a lot of fun too. So this is how I learned a backflip. My very first time I was like really scared to do it, and then I landed on my butt. I held my knees and I just literally did a backflip. It's really simple, and I think this is the best way to learn the backflip, or at least how I learned it. So what you want to do, tuck your knees in. Just like that. It's very natural, guys. It's very hard to explain, but all you have to do is land and then kind of just lean back and kind of let your butt bounce and go backwards. So it's just like that, okay? If you go to the side, that's totally okay, but make sure you eventually get it where you're going straight back. I even went to the side a little bit. Like I said, that's how I learned it, and that's a really good way to learn it. The third way to learn it is to do a cartwheel, backwards cartwheel, or a sideways back handspring. So for this, we're gonna warm up our wrists. We're gonna make sure our wrists are warmed up because we don't wanna be putting too much pressure on our wrists without warming up. It's not gonna be good. Also on our shoulders, we're gonna need to warm up our shoulders as well. Comment below what type of trampoline you have. Is it round? Is it rectangle? Is it small? Is it 14 feet? Just comment below. Okay, so make sure you warm up your wrists a little bit and then your shoulders as well. Okay, we don't want to be hurting ourselves, all right? Even though, I mean, it's just always a good idea to warm up. All right, so for the, we'll say backwards cartwheel, however you initially stand for a backflip, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and you're just gonna pretend like you're gonna do a backflip, right? But then you're just gonna go to the side from facing backwards, so like, okay? Just like that. All right, you're gonna start like that, and then you're gonna get more and more vertical. And I say more and more vertical, all that means is just eventually it's gonna look like that, and then eventually do a back handspring, just like that. Okay, once you can do a back handspring, you're pretty much good to go. All you have to do, get some more momentum, get some more height, and you're gonna land the backflip. So that is the way my brother Evan learned it. That's the way a lot of people learn. There's a final method to learning a backflip. If you're able to trust people very well, make sure they know what they're doing. So the method is spotting. So have somebody spot you, literally flip you around, and you know, preferably somebody who knows what they're doing, like I said, because you don't want just anybody like just watching a spotting video and not knowing how to do it. They have to have a decent amount of experience because it's just not safe, you know, they don't know what to do if you don't commit and all that. So, but also make sure you do commit. So go to your local gymnastics gym, right? Okay, go to, you know, your local gymnastics gym and go to their open gym and ask, hey, do you have spotters available while we're going to open gym? If they say yeah, hop in there, and you know, on a Saturday or whatever night you want to do it, just go in there and literally, you know, have them spot you on a backflip, and that's a really good way to learn a backflip on a trampoline as well. And once you can do a backflip on a trampoline, you know, you have a lot of skills to take it out on ground. And I wanted to mention in the beginning of the video, like why would you want to learn a backflip? Well, backflips are just a great movement. Like, they're just such a fun movement once you get them. Once you get over the fear, you can combo them really easy. You can do backflips to backflips, which I'll show you in a little bit, and then you can do like front flip 180s to backflips and a bunch of other fun stuff that combos. So guys, I want to tell you, you guys can do it, all right? You guys can do it. It's all mental. It literally, you know, I learned it when I was like around like 7 years old, maybe like 8 years old on the trampoline, but I kept losing it. I kept losing my confidence. So the key is to have confidence when you're doing it, guys. Like, be confident and be like, okay, like, and that comes with practice. That comes with experience. So like, the more you practice these movements, the very small movements, even if it's just a somersault, you know, like a backward somersault, you can also do these. You can also do backward somersaults. You can do things like that. Do these small movements and get comfortable with these, and then that'll grow your confidence. You'll be like, I can do this, you know? And also, like I said, the spotters as well. It's really all about that confidence, guys, because at the end of the day, like, anybody can do a backflip. Like, I would say pretty much anybody can do a backflip, okay? As long as you can jump, and as long as you can tuck your knees, and as long as you can do one of those 3 movements that I shared for complete beginners. So, like I said, you can do it, all right? You just need that extra boost of confidence. I give you that extra boost of confidence that you can do it. And so I'll show you a couple backflips for you guys, and I'll show you some combos. Have my hands up like this, and jump up. Don't jump back, okay? Do not jump back, because you might fall off the trampoline or something. You don't want to have that or anything. Also, you want to have a net on the trampoline. You don't want to have just no net if you can avoid it. Okay, so jump up, okay, and don't throw your head back. Just go straight up and keep your head neutral, and just literally flip yourself around. Once you get the hang of it, it's gonna become natural, but honestly, it's gonna be very sketchy in the beginning. You might do a backflip like very sketchy, like not tuck at all and all that, but the more you do it, the better you'll get. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect in the beginning. Don't worry if you don't tuck in the beginning. Just get that backflip down. I'll show you one of mine. So standing, so basically swing your arms, go up, just like that. Okay, I'll show you again. I don't want to bounce super high because the camera's not gonna get the whole shot, so that's why I'm doing it standing. As you noticed, I stayed in the pretty much exact same place. That's how you're gonna get the maximum height you can. But don't worry about that in the beginning. Like I said, it's gonna feel very awkward. It's gonna not look very good in the beginning. Don't keep perfection from getting in the way of you trying it and executing on it. I'm gonna show you a combo that I like to do. It's just a simple combo that you can add on once you feel very comfortable with the backflip. So what it is you're just gonna do a front flip 180 to backflip. So really simple. That wasn't very good, but I have socks on, I don't want to slip. But anyways, yeah, subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click some of the links in the description for a backflip ebook. Also my story below, how I went from very depressed to joyful. And I'll talk to you later. God bless, have a great day.